RSI 14 is 67 and the stock is currently not being overbought or oversold. Red day on Thursday for OLLI stock after losing 1.55%, updated on December 31, 2020, sell candidate since December 30, 2020 loss minus 1.55%. The OLLI stock price fell by minus 1.55% on the last day, Thursday, December 31, 2020, from $83.06 to $81.77, and has now fallen 3 days in a row. During the day the stock fluctuated 2.42% from a day low at $81.29 to a day high of $83.26. The price has risen in 5 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.29% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by minus 245,000 shares and in total, 890,000 shares were bought and sold for approximately $72.78 million. COVID-19 is the ultimate market catalyst. The stock lies in the middle of a wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to fall minus 12.82% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $65.23 and $77.36 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals and forecast. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The OLLI stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $82.90 and $84.73. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, December 10, 2020, and so far it has risen 5.14%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Support, risk and stop loss. OLLI finds support from accumulated volume at $80.73, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. $80.73, $81.77, $81.85. The stock has average movements during a day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $1.97 between high and low, or 2.42%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 2.78%. Our recommended stop loss, we hold a negative evaluation for the stock. No stop loss is set. Is OLLI stock a buy? OLLI holds several negative signals, and we believe that it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We, therefore, hold a negative evaluation of the stock. Current score, minus 2.094. Predicted opening price for OLLI of Monday, January 4, 2021. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price January 4, 2021. Current price $82.11. Analyst ratings on December 7, 2020. Citigroup Incorporated 3% minimum coupon principal protected based upon Russell gave rating for OLLI. The price target was set to $91.78. Over the last 30 days, this security got 0 buy, 0 sell, and 2 hold ratings. OLLI's Bargain Outlet Holdings, Inc. is a retailer of closeouts, excess inventory, and salvage merchandise. The company, through its wholly owned subsidiary, OLLI's Bargain Outlet, Inc., offers products across various categories, including housewares, food, books, and stationery, bed and bath, floor coverings, toys, and hardware. Summary: OLLI is undervalued compared to its price of $81.77 per share, has about average safety, and is currently rated a hold. Recommendation: Rec. Hold. Rec reflects the cumulative effect of all the vector vest parameters working together. These parameters are designed to help investors buy safe, undervalued stocks rising in price. Value: current price, $81.77. Current value, $102.27. OLLI has a current value of $102.27 per share, compared to a price of $81.77 per share. This stock is currently undervalued. Value is computed from forecasted earnings per share, forecasted earnings growth, profitability, interest, and inflation rates. Upside potential, relative value/RV, excellent RV is an indicator of long-term price appreciation potential. OLLI has an RV of 1.46, which is excellent on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. This indicator is far superior to a simple comparison of price and value because it is computed from an analysis of projected price appreciation 3 years out, AAA corporate bond rates, and risk. Safety, relative safety/Rs, good Rs is an indicator of risk. OLLI has an Rs of 1.17, which is good on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. Rs is computed from an analysis of the consistency and predictability of a company's financial performance, debt-to-equity ratio, sales volume, business longevity, price volatility, and other factors. Timing, relative timing/RT, fair RT analyzes a stock's price trend. OLLI has a relative timing of 0.86, which is fair on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. RT is computed from an analysis of the direction, magnitude, and dynamics of a stock's price movements day over day, week over week, quarter over quarter, and year over year. If a trend dissipates, RT will gravitate toward 1.00. Overall rating, value safety timing/VST, good VST is the master indicator for ranking every stock in the VectorVest database. OLLI has a VST rating of 1.16, which is good on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. VST is computed from the square root of a weighted sum of the squares of RV, Rs, and RT. Stocks with the highest VST ratings have the best combinations of value, safety, and timing. Stop price, $80.21. Stop is an indicator of when to sell a position. OLLI has a stop of $80.21 per share. A stock's stop is computed from a 13-week moving average of its closing prices, and is fine-tuned according to the stock's fundamentals. CI, Comfort Index, fair CI is an indicator which reflects a stock's ability to resist severe and/or lengthy price declines. OLLI has a CI of 1.07, which is fair on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. CI is based solely upon a stock's long-term price history. GRT, earnings growth rate. GRT reflects a company's 1 to 3 year forecasted earnings growth rate in percent per year. OLLI has a forecasted earnings growth rate of 23.00%, which VectorVest considers to be excellent. EPS, earnings per share. EPS stands for leading 12 months earnings per share. OLLI has a forecasted EPS of $2.83 per share. VectorVest determines this forecast from a combination of recent earnings performance and traditional fiscal and/or calendar year earnings forecasts. P/E, price to earnings ratio. P/E shows the dollars required to buy $1 of earnings. OLLI has a P/E of 28.89. The average P/E of all the stocks in the VectorVest database is -120.24. EY, earnings yield. EY reflects earnings per share as a percent of price. OLLI has an EY of 3.46%. This is below the current average of -0.83% for all the stocks in the VectorVest database. GPE, growth to P/E ratio. OLLI has a GPE rating of 0.80. A stock is commonly considered to be undervalued when GPE is greater than 1.00. DIV, dividend. VectorVest reports annual, regular, cash dividends as indicated by the most recent payments. Special distributions, one-time payments, stock dividends, etc., are not generally included in DIV. OLLI does not pay a dividend. DY, dividend yield. DY reflects dividend per share as a percent of price. OLLI does not pay a dividend, so it does not have a dividend yield rating. DY equals 100x, DIV/price. It is useful to compare DY with EY. If DY is not significantly lower than EY, the dividend payment may be in jeopardy. DS, dividend safety. DS is an indicator of the assurance that regular cash dividends will be declared and paid at current or at higher rates for the foreseeable future. OLLI does not pay a dividend, so it does not have a dividend safety rating. Stocks with DS values above 75 typically have Rs values well above 1.00 and EY levels that are much higher than DYDG. Dividend growth rate. Dividend growth is a forecasted annual growth rate of a company's dividend based on historical dividend payments and dividend predictability. It is a subtle yet important indicator of a company's financial performance. It also provides some insight into the board's outlook on the company's ability to increase earnings. OLLI does not pay a dividend, so it does not have a dividend growth rating. YSG Vector YSG is an indicator which combines DY, DS, and DG into a single value, and allows direct comparison of all dividend-paying stocks in the database. OLLI does not pay a dividend, so it does not have a YSG rating. Stocks with the highest YSG values have the best combinations of dividend yield, safety and growth. These are the stocks to buy for somewhat above current income and long-term growth. Average vol is the 50-day moving average of daily volume as computed by VectorVest. OLLI has an average vol of 1,053,613 shares traded per day. Percent vol reflects the percent change in today's trading volume as compared to the average vol. Percent vol equals volume, average vol, /average vol, *100. OLLI had a percent vol of -15.52% on Thursday, December 31, 2020. PRC, OLLI price changed -1.55% from the prior day's closing price. Sales, OLLI has annual sales of 1,715,000,000. Sales growth is the sales growth rate in percent over the last 12 months. OLLI has a sales growth of 27.00% per year. This is excellent. Sales per share, SBS OLLI has annual sales of $26.22 per share. Price to sales ratio, P/S OLLI has a P/S of 3.12. Shares, OLLI has 65 million shares of stock outstanding. Market capitalization, OLLI has a market capitalization of $5,349,000,000. Business sector, OLLI has been assigned to the retail business sector. VectorVest classifies stocks into over 200 industry groups and 40 business sectors. Industry group, OLLI has been assigned to the retail, discount / variety, industry group. VectorVest classifies stocks into over 200 industry groups and 40 business sectors.